lovely world, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today it is my birthday, and it's also the first time I am throwing a party right here at my new place. Well, it's not that new. I moved here exactly a year ago, but it is also the first time that I'm doing this. I'm blowing up balloons. I purchased this little machine at Amazon, the balloons as well. This video should be sponsored by Amazon. You know, I purchase everything by Amazon. Amazon, sponsor me, please. Okay, so this is a trick. So I'm putting every single balloon right here. Ah! And this is what usually happens with every single balloon that I have loaded up. And the idea is to do an amazing step and repeat right here all around my mirror that my friend is supposed to help me, my friend who's recording right now, and decorate everything like boohoo style. I also purchased these pampas at Amazon. Come on, Amazon, sponsor me. Beautiful pampas. And I also did this one. This one is not done yet. It looks really bad. I have to put something underneath to make the pampas go up, but little by little. And then you guys know that I love my terrace, so everything is going to be outside. I mean, I'm gonna open right now, but it's gonna be very loud. So basically, I'm gonna put some little palm trees over there, a lawn table, my huge umbrella that is gonna cover everybody's faces because it's very hot and humid in Miami. And the food, the drinks, and everything is gonna be there. So guys, keep watching my video because this is just the intro. You guys are invited to this party with me. I got my favorite wines here. This is from Ferlen, Alejandro Ferlen. I love it. This is from Toscana Divino Group. This is amazing. I'm gonna put all the information down here. If you guys ever throw a party in Miami or anywhere in the world, you can order this online. I'm sure Amazon can have that too. Okay guys, so keep watching my video because I want you to be in my party. I want you to be part of my party. I'm gonna have a lot of people. I invited 50 people. I hope not everybody come because my apartment is not that big. I have a lot of food, a lot of entertainment, so keep watching my video. This is my first time doing a step and repeat with balloons, and this transparent strip, I don't know if you can see it right here, came with the balloons, and you're supposed to stick, I don't know if you can still see it, there's holes in it, and you're supposed to stick all the balloons one on top of each other into those little balls, and you're supposed to alternate the colors, and I don't know where is the gray color. All I see is white and gold. Anyway, it is my first time doing these type of decorations for my party, and I usually have my parties like cater or in a restaurant or in a vineyard. This is the first time I'm doing it in my own house, and my nails are getting chipped, and I need them to be perfect because my birthday party is tomorrow. So let's get started and see how this is going to turn out. I finished so late my project last night that I was so tired that I didn't have energy to record. So girls, if you are planning to do this is the final result. I'm gonna show it to you in a minute. Have yourself enough time. It took me 5 hours non-stop, but I have done probably an hour, 2 hours before putting air into the balloons. So this is my final product. Alright, so if you are planning to do a project like this, you need at least 8 hours. It was not difficult, it's actually very simple. It's just very time consuming. But if I can do it, you can do it too. I mean, it doesn't look that professional, but I love it. Anyway, I have to go because my good friend and makeup artist is coming very soon to work in this pale face, and I'm gonna show you every single step of my transformation. So keep watching my video because there's a lot more coming. I am going to show you guys the food, the drinks, the decorations in the terrace that is happening right now, but it's kind of raining. No. Okay, keep watching my video. Well, girls, this is the end of this beautiful makeup that my friend Elizabeth just did for me. I haven't worn my wardrobe yet. That is a surprise that I'm gonna show you in the next clip. So I couldn't do the step-by-step of the makeup that she did because it was gonna take the entire video, and I want you guys to be part of my birthday party. So I don't have my watch, but I think it's 12, and I do have some time to create some content for Instagram. So keep watching my video and don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, also like it and share it with your friends. Behind the scenes. This is how we record a YouTube video. This is how we record a reel. Guys, welcome to my birthday party. I'm waiting for everybody to arrive, but before anybody comes, I need to do everything. I love that my friends are very talented. For instance, this is the song of Tano. Tano, turn around. He's a designer too. Look at this. Juanita, Mama, he is an editor. He records, he takes pictures, everything. He takes holes out of the walls from the pictures. Y mi amiga, Eru, cantante, singer, actor, designer. Oh my God, everyone is so talented here.
Only creators in the house.
There's few people that arrive on time, and these are the people that are gonna be able to eat some food. How is the sushi, guys?
Amazing.
And the pastelitos, oh, they haven't tried my cousin's pastelitos. I have to make them. My brother cooked some pastelitos. Let's see if we can make all the pastelitos. We have some more people outside. My friend Gio with her beautiful belly. And my friend Jennifer, she's texting, working, I don't know what she's doing. And my final decoration, guys. I'm so proud of myself. You already saw the balloons that it took me 8 hours to decorate. And my pampas. It's not that hot, actually, you know, and I hope it doesn't rain, but oh my God, I love it.
Yana, happy birthday to you.
A ver, los 1001 deseos que voy a pedir.
A ver.
Piensa bien, piensa bien. Que te caiga el son 2, son 3. 1, 2, 3, se van a ir a la espera, espera.
Ponele pasión, ponele pasión.
Espere.
You can do it.
Hija, deseo largo. ¡Ay, la 1! ¡Ay, Dios mío!
Que tiene muchos ceros.
1, 2, 3.
Well guys, this is the end of my video. I just want to say that I had so much fun with all my friends and all my family members that came here. And thank you so much to all these sponsors that made this party come true, especially to my friend Alejandro Fernel. He was my old boss back in the days when I was in college here in Miami, and he's the one that gave me, let me see, where is it? These bottles of wine, and this is my favorite one because he only gave these to famous people. This one was given to Messi and to me. Thank you, Alejandro. So if you guys are a wine lovers as much as I am, just click on the link below. You're gonna be able to find all his wines down there. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And hopefully my next party is gonna be a lot better than this one because I already have all this practice, and hopefully it's gonna be better. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.